Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information this week. Today I want to talk about a perfect Father's Day gift for this time is a kegerator. Now those are awesome. When the old days when you're a kid, yeah, we used to go buy kegs, we used to do little pump thingies to tear them all up. Nowadays, we're a little more advanced than that. We're adults, so we have a kegerator. Now this is a kegerator here. Actually has the ability to run 2 separate mini kegs, okay? Or you can run one full or one half barrel keg and only use one of the taps. So you can use either one of these two, whichever one you like, okay? Now what you do is, you'll buy the keg, okay? You'll put the keg in here. Obviously I haven't taken all the stuff out because I'm not gonna use this yet. But then, once you get the keg in there, you'll hook these up to it, okay? And then back here, this is for your CO2. There'll be a CO2 tank in here that you have your line that goes out and then your line that comes back in, okay? So what this does, this actually pressurizes your kegerator. So when you do this, it gives you beer, okay? Great Father's Day gift for the fathers coming up. Or if you're afraid to go out and you want to save some money instead of just keep drinking, buying can after can after can after can and wasting all the cans like that, get a kegerator. They're not that overly expensive anymore and they're a lot of fun to have. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the page, and you folks have a wonderful week, and we'll see you next week. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.